Doris, I'm not going to sit down here and act like I'm not mourning the friendship that I have with you because I really genuinely like the friendship that I have with you. You're an intelligent woman, you're a smart woman. I see all the qualities of how great you are. Like, your personality is amazing. Like, I laughed we had that day at the dining. I've not laughed like that. It's like, I just thought it was more like how friends laugh in a way that is uncontrollable, and that's how I felt. I know you look very standoffish with me right now. I know you feel very distant with me, and I'm not going to lie, like, it really hurting me in that way because I can understand where you're coming from, but I would love for you to also like understand like exactly where I'm coming from in that regard too.
So first of all, when you say things like, oh, she's boring, or beauty without brains, how is that a signal that you like someone? 1. 2, for me, I felt like you're a pussy ass nigga. You were threatened by Jason's strength, and you saw that he was coming on hard, and because you're a pussy, you couldn't go for her, so you decided, okay, you know what, let me just, because you cannot tell me that a best friend is somebody that, the way you carried me some days ago when I
Doris,
jumped at you.
Doris, oh my God.
I'm coming, I'm getting somewhere. I don't want to look like a stupid person in the sense that you're making it seem as if, no, the signals you're giving, you do not know or whatever. Maybe you did not, I don't care. Again, it just speaks to the fact that you might just be a dumbass nigga.
And the resolution is that, can we, like, still be good friends?
No. If you see me, please don't say hi to me. Don't come sit next to me. If we're in the same group for presentation, let's just do what we gotta do. I'm very serious. I don't want to embarrass you, and I don't want to be embarrassed either. So let's just keep it, cordial. You don't need to say shit to me. You don't need to say nothing to me. Don't try to check my temperature of anger. It's there. It's going to be there until I leave here. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you outside the house. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to see you. Let's just keep it like that. We've had our friendship. Today's Friday.
Wait, Doris, hold on. You really?
Yes. Yeah.
Doris, can you tell me one thing I did that is making you
You embarrassed me. I'm embarrassed. Yes, I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed because there was no way in hell. That's why I said it's either you're oblivious or anything. There's no way in hell, because I even told you that I think this girl likes you. I think this one likes you, or the other one likes you. You could have taken the cue to go for it. That's why I kept saying, go for them. But my thing is, you could have just let me be.